Expectations for Chapter 1. Hey folks, sometimes this goes without saying, but the expectation throughout the course will be for you to read. Please get off to a strong start by reading Chapter 1. The expectation is you'll be reading the chapter as we cover it in each learning module. The most important readings throughout the semester will be the attached articles and links in each learning module because these will translate very nicely into essay questions on exams. Please take notes during class discussions and reread the articles so you understand the facts of the case, both sides of the controversy, and what the final outcome was. Remember, sometimes the articles will not include the final outcome. Complete the belief quiz. This is a quiz I just want you to answer honestly so I can plot your views in relation to the rest of the class so we can figure out if you're a Democrat, a Republican, or something else. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers on this quiz, so please answer honestly. Complete the reading quiz. Please answer the questions assigned to the Chapter 1 reading, and then take the reading quiz. Unlike the belief quiz, there are right and wrong answers for this quiz, but you will have 3 attempts to complete it. Only the highest grade will count. And lastly, I want you to complete a short writing explaining 2 or 3 of the most effective ways for you to influence government or policy using some examples of political engagement from Chapter 1. Good luck, and please reach out if you have any questions.